All right, before today's video starts, please go down and subscribe. All right, guys, so it's been a little while, took some time off. The Holley is ordered. It'll be here Monday. So in preparation of that, we're gonna rip out this eBay standalone wiring harness and the factory ECU and get ready for the Holley. So I can't wait. This should be pretty simple. It's pretty easy. Obviously disconnecting a bunch of wiring and then undoing what I did through the firewall and then where the computer is on the passenger side where the airbag was. So it should be quick, pretty easy, and get back to you guys when I get it yanked out. All right, guys, so it's been a little while later, and as you can see, our factory computer, our standalone harness, our AEM wideband gauge, all out of the car since Holley runs their own wideband through their mini screen and whatnot, so start to take down that one. But basically everything is disconnected, all unwired. I'm getting ready to throw in some 80-pound injectors and remove these 36s and post them up for sale as well. And after that, we're basically just waiting. Once Monday hits, you guys will know, and drop a video Monday or Tuesday on wiring it up and whatnot. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, especially on this car since I know what I'm doing already and where all my wiring's going and whatnot, you know what I mean? So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. I'm gonna knock out these injectors and close you guys out. All right, guys, so I've got my Delphine 80-pound injectors in there. All done, all set. I already checked fuel pressure, primed the system, has fuel, no leaks, all that stuff. We're all good there. It's very naked now without all the wiring harness running what's, forever and whatnots. But pretty simple, pretty easy. Now, Holley comes Monday. Hopefully we'll have our first start on Monday. Don't know. I'll put up a short if I do. If I don't. I'm really going to take my time with this. Now, the switch panel, trans brake, Mac valve, and a bunch of other small wiring things that I'm going to go through. I'm probably going to rewire a lot of things in the car to simple them down, make them a lot cleaner, and just, since we're going to do this once, I don't want to deal with it ever again. I know I did it pretty good last time, but there are some wires that are extra now, especially now that we've removed a lot of stuff from the car with the factory ECU being gone. And obviously, as you see, my AEM gauge is also gone. I'll be putting a boost gauge there now. And so with the Holley, I don't know if I'm going to run ignition or anything on the switch panel through the Holley. I'm probably going to leave it all on the panel. I kind of like it all on the panel because I'll have key on ignition, the starter, obviously the fuel pump. I'll be able to prime it off of there and whatnot. So I don't have to run it through the key or anything. Can if you want. Fans, I'm going to leave it on the switch because then I can have the car cooling down even though the car is off, the Holley's off and whatnot. Lights will still run the gauges. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now for the Holley, I'm going to change it over for the trans brake and the Mac valve to run through the Holley. Also, that will also include two-step, bump box, trans brake, and boost controller, basically. So that's what the Holley will be running through some of its inputs that it has extra with the Terminator X. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. So we'll get our little screen mounted here. I will be wiring up the shift light to the Holley as well. So that'll be pretty nice, pretty easy. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little snippet video, I guess. I'm gonna be going through all the wiring in the dash tomorrow, just simplifying it down a little more, cleaning it up a lot better, and just not having shit everywhere. And can't fucking wait. Honestly, we can't wait. This is one of the things we've been waiting for. Real big step for me. Big chunk of change I done spent. $1,424 because the Holley and then the USB cable was $65 alone, and then they charge you $88 in tax and $20 to ship it. And trying to make it to a car show, but also trying to make it out to some of the events that are left this season, which there aren't many, but it is getting cold outside, so you know what that means. It's boost season. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully this car, everything works out great. Can't have any more setbacks. Really, we cannot have any more setbacks. We've tried so much and lost so many times. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.